Page 365. This video is on the answers for the second part of your assignment, which is where we are finding the percent. So if you look at number 14, if we were using their boxes here, it says what percent of, so what percent, that's what we're trying to find. Of means times. You can use parentheses instead of a dot here if you want. 32 is means equals, and we just put 5.6. What the book did here, they just rearranged this on the left side and put the 32 in front of the P. And they're kind of doing more stuff here than what we necessarily have to, but if you look then, if we're trying to figure out what P is equal to, these are being multiplied over here, and so that means we need to divide. So the book went ahead and just wrote a separate step for that. You wouldn't have to do that, but divide by 32 on both sides. And when you divide that, you should get 175 thousandths. What we have to remember is that is the percent as a decimal, and so we need to move our decimal 2 spots to the right, and so that would be 17.5%. Number 16, this one they don't have any boxes for me, which I'm fine with. It says what percent, so if you want to do P for percent, if you want to do X percent, just to remind yourself that you are going to need to find the percent. Of means times, 75 means 75, is means equals, and 33 means 33. And so at this point they are multiplying, and so we need to divide by 75 on both sides. And when you divide that out, you should get 44 hundredths, which means 44%. One thing when you get your answer, kind of think about if it makes sense, if it seems reasonable or not. We're saying 44% of 75 is 33. So 44%, that's a little less than half. So a little less than half of 75 is 33. That seems pretty reasonable. Number 19, an electronics store donated a percentage of every sale to charity. Total sales were $7,150, of which the store donated $429. So what percent was donated to charity? And here it is. This last question actually is where we can get our equation from. It's saying what percent of 7,150 was donated to charity. Was is past of is, so that'd be like equals, and the amount that was donated was $429. So they're multiplying, we can divide. And you know, if you can think about on this one, besides setting up this equation, if you can think, well, you know, what we're trying to find is 429 out of 7,150, what percent that is. If you're able to come up with that without doing the equation, that should be fine, I guess. Anyway, that should work out as 6 hundredths, and then move your decimal 2 spots. So that means 6% of the total sales were donated. Number 25. A movie complex is showing the same movie in 3 theaters. In Theater A, 112 of 160 seats are filled. Theater B, 84 seats are filled and 56 seats are empty. Theater C, 63 of 180 seats are empty. And the question is, which which theater has the greatest percent filled. So for theater A, I would probably just do it this way. 112 out of 160 are filled. And if you divide that out, that's 7/10, which means 70%. Theater B, it says 84 are filled and 56 are empty. So that's 140 total. So it's 84 out of 140 are filled. And that's 0.6, which is 60%. So A's the winner so far. And then theater C, they kind of said it backwards. They said how many are empty, so that would be 117 out of 180. And that would be 65%. So those are the percentages, and then the greatest, the percentage, theater with the greatest percent filled would be theater A. Workbook page 89, if we look at numbers 7 through 9 here, same idea. So on 7, what percent of 186 is 93? So what percent? I'm just going to do this the other way that I might have mentioned here. X percent times 186 equals 93. And then we can divide by 186. Again, the nice thing about doing X percent instead of just doing a P or something is just that reminder with that percent sign. If you divide this out, it's going to be 5/10, and then that means 50%. Number 8, same idea. What percent of 28 is 7? So if we divide by 28 on both sides, and whoops, you get 0.25, which means 25%. So 25% of 28 is 7. Seems reasonable. It's 1/4 of it. And number 9, what percent of 250 is 182? So they're multiplying. If we divide by 250 on both sides, it should come out as 0.728. And that means 72.8%. So hopefully this helps with any of the problems that you might have missed on this lesson on finding percent of a number. Have a good day.